Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your auto start stop in your 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the center console. And once you get to the center console, there will be a button on the right hand side of the hazard light that says 8 with the arrow surrounding around it on clockwise. So currently it is on green, so this feature is on at the moment. But all you have to do, if you would like to turn it off, of course, just press on it and that feature will be off. If you'd like to turn it on, just press on it again, and of course, like I said again, green means that the feature is on for this vehicle. So you might be wondering, what is auto start stop? So auto start stop, for example, this vehicle is at a stoplight and you have the brakes fully depressed using your foot, and what the vehicle will do is the engine will turn off, and once you want to get going again and press the gas, the engine will turn on again. So basically the reasoning behind that is because it will further save you gas mileage for this vehicle. Make sure you get the best efficiency you could in this Mercedes-Benz. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.